Yo guys, it's Badger here, and today we have a look at another shaver or hair clipper. This is a whole set. You get like more than one device. This is like the main one. It's a really big, solid piece. You can adjust everything here, and there's different head pieces to choose from, so you can actually figure out how much inches and all that, what you want on here, and has nice texture to the handle. Also, LCD display showing us how much battery we have. So that is all pretty straightforward and nice to see here. The comb is a little gift that you are getting, and it's a pretty powerful machine, which is kind of satisfying to see. This is the second one. It's a little more on the finer side to do some more precisional shavings and cuts. This one is charged all the way right now, and all in all, pretty decent as well. And that's all I have to say for today. So take care. Until the next video, you guys. I will see you then. And my name is Badger. Bye bye.